This is the 38MB. Okay, 38MB. It's 75,477 here at the show. You can see the savings. Huge savings, guys. Okay, so let's start at the front like we normally do. We'll start with the awning first. There's the awning that starts there and goes all the way to the door. So it's probably 2/3, maybe a little bit less. Everything's covered except for the slide area, which is fine because if you're going to be sitting down with your family and doing stuff, it's going to be in this area because this is where the room is, right? And by the way, the awning isn't all the way out, okay? So up front, massive storage. And the way they have it tied together, all three doors access the same space, okay? Is that a power reel? That's a power reel for your cable, okay? For your power cable, right? So you don't have to wrangle it. 30-pound propane tanks, okay? 6-point hydraulic level up system. Step above, got your MoreRide CRE 3000 upgraded suspension. And just to make sure we show it, here's just a little bit about Elkridge if you didn't know much about them. So you can stop the video if you want when you're doing a replay and look. But here's also the models, okay? We'll show you sort of all the different floor plans they make in Elkridge. Okay, there we go. And the 37 BBH and the 37 DRB are brand new, so I don't know if they're here, but we're going to look for them just in case. Okay, yeah, we are going to go inside. They got the cool handle, right? Asdel siding. Oh yeah. So here's another nice decor. Okay. Might be a little bit more stark than a couple of the others that we looked at. It's not horrible, right? But just a different flavor. You've got your sort of opposing or your L-type situation. I call it conversational sitting, right? You got your theater chairs here, right, which recline. Ooh, that's comfy. And your 3-seat sofa over there, which turns into a bed. Okay, above it, you've got the cabinetry up above. Directly across from these theater seats, like most fifth wheels, is your entertainment area. All right, so nice big TV, JBL sound system, and that's probably a 40-inch fireplace. Okay, above it, of course, you did have some storage as well. Okay, to our right, we walked by it coming in here, is your dinette. As you can see, the 4 chairs are out, and the leaf is up. All right. And then you get into the kitchen. Yeah,
got this nice big island. It feels like solid surface to me.
It is solid surface.
That is a black stainless single basin sink. That's great.
Awesome.
Tall faucet underneath that, and that is farmhouse style, by the way. We do have large space.
Oh, that's all
underneath.
open down there, guys.
Yes, completely open.
Got some drawers over here.
We do.
3 of them.
All right, over on this side, we have a high point microwave. We do have a 3-burner stove and an oven. This is pretty large. Is that residential? I wonder.
It is not.
It's got the stainless
metal bottom.
The metal bottom. So we do have some drawers.
Which, by the way, before you go any further, I don't know if you caught it, but the cabinetry here changes, bam, when you get to the kitchen. So it sort of is a defining line between, living room and kitchen. I like when they do that.
Yeah. And then we have over here a higher refrigerator freezer.
Side by side.
Yep.
2 freezer pullouts, which are nice. All residential. A little bit of a food pantry there.
Right.
But if that isn't enough, you got this huge area over here, Lisa.
Look at this.
Right? Man, we're hoarding all kinds of food in this sucker.
We are, aren't we?
Yeah. That's
nice. Awesome. Yep. Absolutely.
All right. So then as we go, right as you were coming in, you've got this door. Here's hanging for jackets. Then up here is your electronics or your panel. Okay, what's this? Oh, holy crap, I had no idea. It's a mid-bunk. I didn't know this was here. Okay, so they call it a mid-bunk, I guess. That's a sofa that you can fold out to be a bed. Again, remember these type of units, from a height standpoint, I mean, I'm in here okay. I don't even have to duck getting underneath this little lamp. It's tight, but it's okay. It's comfortable. I'll give this to Lisa. I turned it around backwards. Sorry, guys.
That's fine.
A lot of the other ones that we looked at, they've turned this area into a desk kind of thing. That is not the case here. So this is just a TV area, some storage, right? but no desk. It'd be nice if they made that a desk, I think, but that's just me. And I know the reason why they didn't, but they could probably figure out how to do it. It's because the cabinet's on the other side, on the outside in the hallway. Because this one here, this is really deep.
Uh-huh.
These are shallow because of the cabinets on the other side. But you could have the desk come out here because the slide would come and it would be fine.
You could, and honestly, you could, if you wanted a smaller desk, hold that for a minute, you could do some kind of like a flip down here.
Yeah.
So you could have, you know, maybe
Well, mind you, the TV's there, so you'd have to be creative with it, but you know.
Yeah, I'm sure you could figure out a way to do that.
Yeah, and just look, things that we see when we walk around, ideas we come up with.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? All right, so let's continue to go. I honestly, I thought it was going to be a half bath.
Did you?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a half bath. If you guys didn't know, we don't go in these units before we show them to you. It's, you know, when we're surprised, we are surprised. It's not acting.
We're not that good.
No. All right, so you got a nice bunk up here. For an adult, it's going to be kind of tight. If you've been watching all our streams, I crawled up into one of these earlier in the week. I fit, obviously, but it's, you know, it's tight for an adult. Okay?
Yeah, you're going to be knocking your elbows on the ceiling if you have to roll over. Yeah.
All right, toilet. Let's give it the tall man toilet test, everybody.
All right.
Tall man toilet test. Boom! This one's perfect.
Boom.
Boom. Bam. Put a little bam on it, okay? Yeah, very comfortable porcelain foot flush, okay? Above me is a little shelf, okay? Got some octopus hangers if you want to hang your towels for drying. Speaking of towels, there's some nice cubbies, 4 of them right here, Lisa.
Nice.
That reminds me a lot of our bathroom, just like this, right? Right across from me, we have our vanity and sink. Right, it is not under counter mounted, that's fine, but there is plenty of countertop space, which is nice. All right, nice storage underneath as well. And then up top, I can see from my nose down, okay? And then as you can see, there's enough room in there for all them drugs, okay? And as we climb into the shower, again, another perfectly designed bubble. It's right in the middle. Now, even if I'm outside the bubble, it's tight. All right, be hard to scrub here, but that bubble is perfectly placed, guys. So, yeah, this is great. You have 3 shelves, which are in the corner. Remember the other unit we were in earlier where the shelf was right here, right? And your arm keeps on hitting it? When it's not there, this is perfect. Just put the shelves up there in the corner. They're out of the way, right? Not even in the back, but in the front. They're out of the way. Back here, you got a bench.
Nice.
I suppose I could put my foot up on one of those. Yeah. All right, let's get up into the bedroom.
Are you trying to shave your legs now?
I'm trying to shave my legs. All right. All right, so definitely looks like residential king. So probably 72 by 80. 70 by 80.
All right.
All right, I'll make sure we're 80. It definitely was 70. Yeah, 70 by 80.
Okay.
Okay. As you can see, your nightstands are up a little high. Okay. But there's power, and there's USB charging ports. Okay. All right. Solid surface too, by the way. Which is nice.
I didn't notice that. Yeah.
Yep. Solid surface.
All right.
Right across from here, you got 6 drawers. You got a place to mount a TV mount up there, and I think I talked about this before. The way that's placed, I would put a nice rack there, and I'd have a huge TV.
You'd cover up the entire windows. This
I
whole
would.
wall would be a huge type.
That'd be a
huge
60.
TV.
That'd be a 60.
Oh, you'd make it bigger.
Who needs to see out the windows? We got windows everywhere else. I want a big TV. All right, so there's a washer and dryer area.
All righty.
Okay, there's the prep for it. And then here's more closet. Hanging space, there's a shelf up top. Okay, so there's plenty of storage in here.
Nice.
All right, I'm going to go back and grab our backpack. Oh, we stashed the backpacks.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Yes. Feel lost without them. We've been carrying them all day today.
I know, right?
Yes, I feel so much lighter.
I love that. I love this.
I
know Lisa's holding the camera, but without the camera, it's just natural. You grab it. All right, what's the model numbers we're looking for? Let's go see if we can see some of these new ones. We got a 37 FHB, 37 BBH, and 37 DRB. All the 37s. So just find something that says 37.